Good afternoon, everybody. I don't hear everyone saying good afternoon. I'm going to say it again. Good afternoon, everybody. Well, I hope that everyone has had a lovely time at home. I'm a little bit annoyed that people can't come to school, but I guess times are different. Mrs. Bamford, have you had a good week?
I've had a great week, Miss Babbage. We've had lots and lots of phone calls to students,
Yes.
lots of emails, and lots of happy parents and students.
But Mrs. Bamford, I just don't understand. Are the children learning? Are they learning?
Yes, of course they're learning. Learning isn't just at school, Miss Babbage. Learning happens at home as well.
Okay, so learning, you're telling me, Mrs. Bamford, that learning can happen at home. And are you sure that learning is happening? How do you know that learning's happening? How do you know? I mean, I can't see. I went into all the classrooms. I can't see anybody there.
Learning is happening online, Miss Babbage. You
Okay.
need to log on to Google Classroom and then you can see what our students are doing.
Okay, Mrs. Bamford.
I'm happy to
Okay.
help you log on.
Okay, I'll take your word for it. But Mrs. Bamford, what is the most important thing at the moment?
Washing your hands.
Okay, Mrs. Bamford.
But I need some help.
Okay, I'm going to do a science experiment here. I have got a bucket of water. I have got some soap. And Mrs. Bamford, I have got an instruction sheet on how to wash your hands. Now, what's the first thing that you do, Mrs. Bamford? First thing, I want to see if you get it right. No, you don't. You don't pick your nose. You don't do that.
Okay, what about blow my nose?
Well, yes, you blow your nose in your tissue and you put your tissue in the bin, correct?
Okay.
Yes, correct.
And then when I've done that, can I wash my hands?
Yes, show me how you do it. What's the
Okay.
first thing you do?
You put water on your hands.
Okay, show me what you do. There is water in the bucket. Has she got it right? Is she right? Yes, she's got water on her hands.
Now I'm going to use some soap.
Okay, let me put some. You put some on for me. You show me what you understand. Correct. Okay, and then how long do you rub your hands for?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14, 15 and 16 and 17 and 18 and 19 and 20.
Now
Oh.
I'm going to wash the soap off. It's very sticky soap.
Is it? Oh, that's good soap. That means that all of the germs.
So
are
should
off
I see some bubbles in my water?
Yes, that's quite good. That is very good, Mrs. Bamford. Very good. Okay, I think our science experiment is over. And now, I would like to interview Miss Butcher. Go. Oh, Miss Butcher, I'm so glad you've been able to come to talk to me. The chooks have gone. I don't know where the chooks are, Miss Butcher. I don't know where the chooks are. They're not home.
Miss Babbage, do you not remember? I took the chooks. The chooks are with me. They're at home. They're safe. It's okay.
Miss Butcher, you haven't eaten the chooks for Easter dinner, have you? Oh, no!
Miss Babbage, would I ever do that? I would never eat the chooks. Never.
Oh, so where are the chooks?
Well, the chooks, they're safe. They're safe at home. I was really worried about them at first because I thought this is such a big change for them. They've only ever known this school. And all of a sudden, they're in this brand new place. And I was worried. I thought on the first night, they're not going to be able to sleep. What are they going to do? But it's okay. They're okay. They're at my house and they are okay. They're coping really well.
And so the change, were they stressed? Did they eat? Did they sleep on the first night? How long did it take for them to get used to the change?
Day one, no eating. I was so stressed. I thought these chooks, they're going to be skinny. Maybe they won't make it, but they were okay. Day two, they started to mingle with my chooks. They started to find new friends and get used to this new life that they were living. It was amazing. They started to eat. All of a sudden, they were coping with this change and realizing that this was their new normal.
Oh, Miss Kelly, if chooks can adapt to change, then we can all adapt to change. Okay, Mrs. Bamford, I've had a lot of fun. But seriously, I would like to thank all of our parents, and I would like to thank all of our students, and particularly I would like to thank all of our teachers for helping us to get to this very, very unusual term up and running. And we will get better as we go along, but thank you so much, and thank you for your kind wishes, and thank you for your kind messages. And boys and girls, please be kind to your parents at home.